Funding for Teletubbies was provided by
Kellogg's Rice Krispies. Celebrating the joy of kids growing through interaction.
and by the annual financial support of PBS viewers like you.
This is PTV.
Hi, everybody. I'm so glad to see you. Do you like to dance, play games, and sing songs? Have you ever pretended to be a cowboy or even a firefighter? We can do all that and more when you come along and join in the fun on Barney and Friends.
Weekday mornings on NJN Public Television.
I want to build a rocket. I want to be a clown, but don't know how to do it. I think I go like that.
Oh, if you want to know it, don't just say it, pal. Time to see what's shaking, time to go find out.
Oh, I want to learn to tangle. I want to make a bridge, but don't know how to do it. I think I hit the fish.
Oh, if you want to know it, don't just say it, pal. Time to see what's shaking, time to go find out. Go, go, find out.
Barney and Friends is next.
New Jersey's Educational Telecommunications Network, NJN.
WNJB, New Brunswick.
GPU Energy is proud to be the major funder of NJN's Ready to Learn. GPU Energy and New Jersey's kids